Well, first of all, I think there's a very open, cooperative working climate, in my experience at least, at universities of applied sciences, where you work together with educational programs and there's a sort of team player mentality, which I love. Secondly, I think that there's less of a rat race going on in universities of applied sciences in order to get your research published in certain academic journals. That's not really a thing at universities of applied sciences. We aim to perform, and that's the third reason why I love to work at universities of applied sciences. We aim to perform practical, applied research. And of course, fundamental research will always be needed. But for me personally, that's the type of research I prefer. Applied research where there is a practical problem for professionals in the field. With the research, you like to aid them, you like to help them. And that's the type of research that is also recognized a lot more at universities of applied sciences. So if you're into that type of research, like this open, cooperative working climate, then this is the place to be.